Ready and action. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Goldmouth. I am coming to you guys today to show you guys how I make chicken wings in an air fryer. Yes. Oh, first of all, let me show y'all these beautiful, beautiful apples that I just received from my mother-in-law. Thank you. She said she watched my videos one time. I don't know if she do or she watching, but thank you. I sure appreciate these apples. Look good, y'all. No, they ain't finna. I ain't finna make no apple pie. I'm just finna eat some apples. I love apples. Whew. So I got those apples over there just to show y'all. Yes, my hands ashy because I've been washing them, so don't come for me. Okay, let me wash them again. And I'm going to show y'all how I do this chicken here. Come to show y'all how I do this chicken here. And it's going to be in the air fryer. Okay, so now that I got my hands washed, I'm just going to show y'all. Chicken already cleaned. The chicken is clean. Let me see if I got y'all good on camera here. Yep, chicken already clean. And if any feathers or, y'all know how every now and then you have a little stem of a feather off of. I took all that off as much as I could. I think I got a little bit of water sitting down. I'm going to pull that off. That from the cleaning part, the water just had settled. So they're already clean. So what you need to do when you're cooking chicken wings in the air fryer, you have to use some oil of some sort, even though it's going in the air fryer. I know a lot of people be like, oh, but I thought chicken didn't need oil to go in the air fryer. But yes, it does, in order for it to get the crispy golden brown look on it. So this is what I'm going to season it with, y'all. I got garlic powder, seasoned salt, Cajun, which is I forgot what you call it. It's Cajun. It's in the green thing. Black pepper, parsley, and some paprika and olive oil. So I'm going to season it first. I'm gonna put the garlic powder on first. I usually like to use a lot of garlic powder, and since I usually will go in this with my hands, but since I got my little nail polish, y'all, I don't want no nail polish to come off in the food, just in case, because I don't know. I wouldn't want nobody else's hands in my food who got on nail polish, so I'm not gonna put nail polish on my own food. That was some paprika. Then I got a little parsley. Now I want to shake it up now, but then I'm gonna put what I got left. I got Cajun, which is Cajun is Tony's, y'all. That's Tony's seasoning, and I'm gonna put a little olive oil on it. Just drizzle it across, because you don't need to like drench them in olive oil, but you just drizzle it across. And before I put the seasoned salt in the Tony's on there, I'm going to, oh my God, I'm going to shake it up. Y'all even know how hard this is for me to close this lid on this thing. Let's have a moment of silence for my hands because they're like tingling right now. Y'all, I'm sorry. I have neuropathy in my hands, and we trying to wait for it to go away, okay? So we just have to keep living life and not let nothing bring you down, okay? Woo. Okay, so that's the shaking of the chicken wings. That's the shaking of the chicken wings. Oh, Jesus. And as you can see, it ain't all shake up, so that's why I shake it up a little bit before I put the rest of the seasoning on it, because in this is a little container, y'all. I didn't want to use my big container because it was too high and I couldn't reach it in the cabinet. So, and I didn't feel like calling for help. That's just me, y'all. And here's the Cajun. Put it on there kind of heavy. I don't want to make it too salty, so that is that. We're going to do no more Cajun and no more seasoned salt. So I'm going to go back and add some more garlic powder. Now, y'all season this to y'all liking now, because y'all already know how we gets down in the kitchen. Excuse me, I got to sneeze. Okay, y'all, so I just seasoned it with a little bit more garlic, some more parsley, and I think I put some more, I don't know, but it's a little black pepper. I don't think I put black pepper on it the first go round, so I'm going to put black pepper on it this time. And I know that look like a lot, y'all. That's because it's got to be shaken up, so it's going to kind of blend in a minute. So put some olive oil on it, coat it with some olive oil. Don't just dump it in there because you just need it coated with olive oil. That's it. So I'm going to do this again. Okay, now shake it up. Oh. Can y'all believe this really hurt to do this? Like, for real? And then... Okay. Okay, so I got my chicken good and shook up. That's as good as I'm going to get it. If I want it any better than that, I'm going to stir it. Now, sometimes it be looking a little light skinned to me, y'all. So I will add me some more paprika. And that's what the paprika help it give it a little bit of color. So once I put this paprika on it, I'm going to shake it one last time. Ooh, I'm going to call it a day after I shake it this last time. Okay, y'all. Oh. From all sides because this thing kind of little and I want to get it coated as evenly as I can. Hey, Scooby.
Hey.
Whew. You should have came with when I was shaking it.
I didn't hear it until just now.
You just heard it just now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I'm done now, but go wash your hands and you can put it in the fryer for me. Okay, so Scooby came to help me, my lovely assistant. So he's gonna put these. They still don't look like they got a whole lot of seasoning on them to me.
I did.
But that's good enough because we're gonna put hot sauce and stuff on them. That look good enough to you, Scooby?
Yeah.
Okay, let me touch it a little bit. I'll wash my hands. It's alright. I'm just paranoid of nail polish. All the seasoning over here. Look. All the seasoning is. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna stop being ratchet in a minute, but I really can't.
Okay. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, so get the air fryer thingy. Okay. So Scooby's gonna assist me with the chicken. Just put the whole thing down right there, and we just gonna lay the chicken out and put the chicken inside the air fryer. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the camera. Where you at?
I'm right here. You just want me to dump it in there?
Well, I guess. Put it in there one piece at a time. Okay. Try to get it even. Okay, Scooby, come on. Hold on. Zoom out. Wait a minute, I didn't say dump it in there. What you doing? I said put it one piece at a time.
You just said dump it.
Okay, put it one piece at a time. You got it? Oh, okay. You gotta move faster than that. We're recording.
Sorry.
Okay. Try to put it in there evenly. Some of those pieces gonna be on top of each other or whatever. Yeah. But we just gonna fill the air fryer up.
I haven't touched the chicken in a long time.
With as many pieces of chicken as possible. I can fit in there. I'm gonna try to put them all in there. Or should I go 2 rounds, 2 batches?
You can put them all in there.
I don't know about all that.
Yeah, I know about all that.
You know about all that?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if it can work.
Okay. Yeah. You gotta put them in there.
Okay.
Squeeze them up in there. Look at that one. Look at that. Oh, that little juicy.
You want to bite it? Bite it now before it get done.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, stop!
I was actually about to do that.
And you actually about to be in the hospital with salmonella. Boy, you can't wash your mouth out. You don't bite in no raw chicken. I'll just play. Okay, they go to fill it up now.
That's what I'm doing.
Dang, we probably gonna have to do 2 rounds. That's probably enough right there. I don't want to do 2 rounds. How many more pieces in there? Put that chicken in there. I'm not finna do 2 rounds. Now, you can put some on top of each other because last time I did it, it cooked just fine. People used to say, don't put them on top of each other, but they'll cook because I'm going to flip them around in a minute. I ain't got no patience today, y'all, so y'all gonna see how this come out when we put them, put the air fryer too full. I mean, it's still gonna have room for air. Put that one over there in that corner. Put it in the corner, and then you got, it's 5 more pieces. Put one there, one there, one there, one there.
No, it's gonna have to be 2 rounds.
Come on.
You want me to dump it on there then?
I put one right there, put one right there, one right there. Cause the last time when London was here, I cooked it like that, and it came out just fine. Because in the middle, you just shake it and flip it over. Like halfway through, just shake it and flip it over.
You're supposed to shake it. You shake it.
Would you cut out of that?
Okay.
Oh, y'all, we finna powder air fry up. It's okay, though. Put it in there. No.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, now, we got the air fry full. Now, get rid of that pan and then go wash your hands.
I think I should just...
So now, even though there's pieces of chicken sitting on top of that, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how this goes. Don't do that, Scooby.
I'm sorry.
Golly.
Can't do nothing.
This is what the chicken looks like in the air fryer. It's loaded to capacity, or maybe too loaded, but hey, it's in there. Y'all gonna see how it get done. I'm gonna Scooby, pick this up for me. It's kind of heavy. Pick that up and then put it in the air fryer and turn it on.
My left hand.
Hold on. You gotta turn it on. It ain't gonna cook. You wash your hands?
Yeah, I watched them.
Okay.
Like 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay, Scooby. Okay, Scooby. Scooby, I need this cabinet fixed in this kitchen, y'all. Just got to put some more screws in it, y'all. Anyhow, we got that on for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. That's as high as my air fryer go, 400 degrees. And we'll be back to show y'all. I'm gonna come back and show y'all halfway through, okay? If not, I'm gonna show y'all at the end. But I'm gonna try to show y'all halfway so y'all can see me like flip it over and stuff. But I'll be back. Oh yeah, my apples. I gotta unload my apples. Oh, Scooby, unload those apples and put them in the basket. Yeah, put them in the basket. Put this in the sink. I told you to get rid of that.
I thought to put them in the refrigerator so they can be cold.
No. Put them in the basket. They stay better in there. And then we're gonna put some in the refrigerator. We can't put all of them in the refrigerator. Put them over there in the basket one at a time, okay? Ooh, Lord. So we got our little nice fruit basket here. Stop it, please. Put it in the basket. You ain't even washed the apple. Put your mouth on it.
I'll keep this one.
Boy, I like you got some sense. Do y'all see Scooby? Like, literally, do y'all see Scooby? This is Scooby. This big. I think the camera make him look bigger than what he is, but y'all see me beside him. Put the apples in there. Okay.
I cut them. That's enough. So
Yeah.
let's go in the refrigerator.
No, yeah, take them out that bag. Put some more in there. Put as many as you can fit in there. Because they last longer if that's not in the refrigerator. I don't like apples cold all the time. Oh, they look cute in this basket, too. Well, I don't like that other apple over there on the other side. It's too light skinned.
This?
No, the other side. Over
This?
there. Yeah. Yeah, they look better with all the juicy red ones. See? Look better. Okay, we're going to put the rest of them in the refrigerator. And then I'll come back and show y'all what the chicken look like in a minute. Okay, y'all, I am back and it has been approximately probably about 8 minutes. So I'm going to show y'all what it look like at 8 minutes. That's what it's looking like at 8 minutes. It's nowhere near done, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm going to close it back and we're going to let it cook a little longer. Then I'm going to flip it around. All right. Okay, y'all. So it has been an additional like 5 minutes since the last time I opened it. So there we go. That's what it's looking like. So at this point, I'm going to probably leave it alone. Give it about 2 more minutes and then I will flip it over, flip it around, and then I'll show y'all what it looked like then. Okay, y'all, so it's been like another 1 minute and that's what it's looking like. Y'all, up close view of that chicken. And I'm gonna have Scooby to shake it up for me because it's kind of heavy. So just go back and forth with it. Leave it on the stove. Leave it down. Leave it down so you won't break the handle.
Well, I think we're going to break the stove.
Slide it back and forth. Okay, yeah. Kind of give it a flip of the wrist. No, yeah. But on the stove. Yeah. Make the chicken flip. If you can.
I can't.
Now it looks like that, and try to even it out. Shake it a little bit more so it'll even out. No, so you can fill up the space and see ain't no chicken over there in that space. Okay, you got it? Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're gonna put it back in the air fryer for 10 more minutes. Okay, and now the air fryer automatically just comes on just like that. And then I will show you guys what it looked like. And as soon as we get it off, Scooby.
This chicken gonna be good.
It's gonna be good?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, y'all. This is the last and final opening of the chicken. And that is what it looks like when it's done. Okay, put it over the... Uh-oh. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, the chicken is all done. Everything looks good, golden brown. And see how many chickens I put in there, y'all, on top of each other, and it still cooks because the chicken cooks down and everything looks delicious. How it looks, Scooby?
Looks great.
Look good to you. Okay, so now all you got to do from this point, you can eat it just like it is. You can dip it in some ranch. You can add your favorite hot sauce. You can add your favorite barbecue sauce or whatever kind of sauce you want. You can put Parmesan cheese on it. You can do whatever you want to do with your chicken at this point. All you got to do is season it and cook it. And it's pretty good, y'all. I think it took a total of what, about 30. I put it on 30 minutes to start with, and I think I added an additional 5 minutes. So 35 minutes to cook this chicken, which did me good, y'all, because that gave me enough time to flip it back and forth with Scooby and then go take me a shower. Now I'm ready to eat and go to bed, honey. Okay, so I guess we'll let Scooby, if y'all need a taste test, and Scooby always do a taste test. Well, we can't do no taste test. It's too hot, y'all. Yeah. It is too hot. So we're just gonna end this video right here, y'all. This is how you cook chicken in an air fryer, y'all. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I gotta say in this video, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.